This is River Revitalization Foundation symbol, and this semester I do my service learning here. Hello everyone, I'm Yu. I work in River Revitalization Foundation for service learning in fall 2011 semester. River Revitalization Foundation is serving as the urban rivers land trust in Milwaukee. The project's manager of the agency, Vance, led me to do the volunteer activity in this semester. Vance suggested me to make some videos about plants and post these videos to YouTube for them. His purpose of making videos is to help people know some common plant names, which we can see them in our daily life. Two students from CES class and I shot some videos, and they're mainly responsible for editing. So, I made some videos to introduce Canada goldenrod, white snake roots, hardleaf aster, daisy fleabane, red oak, bur oak, maples, and staghorn sumac. Maybe you don't know these plants when you just hear their names. However, these plants are very common along Milwaukee River. Also, I introduce how to identify some plants, plant shapes, colors, and genus. Besides, I found their scientific names on University of Wisconsin Green Bay's and University of Wisconsin Stevens Point Library's websites to make some subscripts so that my audience can easily understand both scientific names and the common names. Okay, now you can see the next slides to watch my videos.
From a tiny acorn, a mighty oak does grow.
This is red oak.
Stop it.
This is what red oak leaves look like, and the leaf is pointy.
Oak from the white oak group that we identified is a bur oak. This is a bur oak close-up shot. This is bur oak's cone. This is maple. The maples are all in the genus Acer.
Behind me is a colony of staghorn sumac. You can see the beautiful fall color. The young growth of the sumac is fuzzy like the young growth of the antlers on a stag, a male deer. This is the flower and fruit of the staghorn sumac. Today we're going to learn about some plants along the Milwaukee River. This one is called daisy fleabane.
This is fleabane up close. It is believed that pioneers stuffed their mattresses and hung it in their cabins to repel fleas.
The blue-colored daisy flower has heart-shaped leaves, especially those on the base of the plant, called heart leaf aster.
This is a very common flower in Wisconsin that blooms in the fall. It is the white snakeroot. You can recognize it by its broad leaves that come to a point and its long petioles or stems, as well as the white flowers that bunch together.
This plant is called the goldenrod. It's common in the sunny plains of Wisconsin. It blooms in the late fall, and when it's at its peak, its color is much brighter than this. This is what goldenrod looks like at its peak color. It's in full bloom. From a tiny acorn, a mighty oak does grow.
This is red oak. This is what red oak leaves look like, and the leaf is pointy.
This is a bur oak. It's part of the white oak group, and it grows on the edge of the prairie. This is a bur oak leaf. You can see that the edges are rounded, and it has a very short petiole.
Behind me is a colony of staghorn sumac. You can see the beautiful fall color. The young growth of the sumac is fuzzy like the young growth of the antlers on a stag, a male deer. This is the flower and fruit of the staghorn sumac.
Thank you for your watching and hope you enjoyed it and can learn something from my video.